Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indian Algo Trader. So today I'm going to share a tool which will save you lots of time. So friends, let's start the video. So friends, I will open my MetaTrader 4 that I use. Okay, this is the dashboard, and so friends, consider now you have lots of setup, maybe your own indicator setups or your own trading system setup on this chart, and you want to replicate on all the charts, right? So friends, it's quite lengthy process, right? And very boring task to save your indicator setups and then save it as a template and then move to all the charts and apply individually. But friends, there is a problem. When you have lots of indicators, your trading system is quite complex. So applying it individually on every chart will hang your system. So I will just first create some example. So friends, let's start. First, I will show you the lengthy method, how actually the process was being done, traditional method, right? But then I will also share the file by installing which you can apply all your indicator setup to all the charts within one single click, right? So let me show you friends how it used to work first. Maybe I'll apply some indicators to show you the trading system. Let me set up some. Let me check if I have any. Okay, so I'll maybe friends, I'll put Bollinger Band. Okay, then I can use ADX. Okay, maybe moving averages. I use 2. Then maybe RSI is another thing that I use, and alligator can be another thing on a chart. And maybe friends, MACD. Okay, cool. Okay, it's fine. We'll proceed with this. So consider this is my trading system. Okay, there are lots of indicators applied over here, and there is Bollinger Band, alligator, there is ADX, RSI, MACD, and based on all this I take my trading decisions. I think let me change the background to black, friends, if it is not visible. Okay, background to black. Cool. Okay, so consider this is my the setup, friends, and I will open few charts parallel to this. Okay, let me open few more, friends. Okay, so we have several charts over here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so and we have one template, one setup on one of the chart, and let us see the traditional method how it used to be. First you have to save your template, and maybe you name it as maybe I will name it as a demo, or maybe demo trial. I'll keep it. Fine, I have saved. So friends, you have to visit on another chart, and then you have to go in templates, and then you have to select a template, right? So it has been applied. Whoa. So this is the process. You have to individually go on each and every chart, and then you have to apply manually on each chart the template. Okay, and this is the way it used to work. Fine. Okay friends, so this is a traditional method, and let us proceed and see how we can fasten this process. Let me close these charts again, and maybe fine, friends. Okay, so let me again open few more charts. Just so sample we will have. Okay, so again friends, we have a few charts open here, few currency charts, currency pairs, and now we will see how we can use the tool. So the initial the first step you have to do is go in tools, go in options, then click on the EA, and make it allow automatic trading, allow DLL imports, and just uncheck all these three options. Fine. So once you have done this, we'll proceed. So the friends, the tool that I'm going to share, it is basically a script, and the name of the script is template all open charts. Simple. So I'll show you, it's there in my downloads folder. Okay, so it's here, friends, template all open charts. I've just copied it. No worries, I will provide this file. You can download it from the link that I will put in my description. You can simply download the file from there. And now we will move ahead. So you have to click on file, go into open data folder, then go into MQL4, and there you will see a folder named script, right? So just double click it and paste the file here. So friends, the template all open charts, the file I have pasted here. And now we will move back to MetaTrader. Okay, and this is the script. So by default there are only two scripts. One is period converter and the other is examples. So now we will refresh it, and okay, so it's been seen here. So template all open charts is now visible. Okay, so friends, how it works now, as you will see, I will just make it 1 hour so that all are same time frame. It doesn't matter, you can keep any time frame is irrespective. It will just copy your current open chart, whatever template is there on open chart, it will copy and just apply to all the rest charts, right? This is how it works. So friends, time period doesn't actually matter here. It can be any time period. Maybe the first chart is 5 minutes, second is 1 hour, third maybe 15 minutes, and maybe I will keep this 5 minutes, 1 minute, and randomly maybe this is a week chart, right? So it actually doesn't matter. What happens is whichever chart you have kept open, right, after running this script, it will simply apply the same set of indicators, same settings, same values to rest all charts. Okay, so we'll see now. What you have to do is just double click on this thing and it will start applying. Okay, see friends, it's already done, right? It's already done. Now maybe consider I have opened any random chart and I just maybe I make some modifications. I will remove alligator, I will remove maybe I remove Bollinger Band too. Okay, and this is the only setup that I now prefer to use. So if this chart is open, okay, and if now I double click here, template all open chart, so simply this will be applied on rest things. See friends, it has been applied. Okay, it has been applied. So this is how it works, friends. It saves you lots of time. It doesn't matter how many charts you have kept open. Maybe I normally keep 24 to 26 charts open, all the currency pairs I keep open, and then whatever setup I do on one of the chart, maybe my best setup, my best trading system, I simply double click here and make it apply on all the open charts. So this is the way, friends, you can save you lots of time. This file you can download from the link that I will put into description. You can simply download it. It's completely free. You can use it and give your feedback about this the script that I'm sharing, about this video, and do let me know if you need anything else, right? Okay. Do subscribe my channel, friends. Thank you.